Is it dead?
No.
Why don't you go slash your ankle? Oh! This is so dumb. Oh, beep.
Oh.
Oh, it's blank.
That's TJ.
Oh, I don't want to interfere. It'll say you're shooting. Oh, geez, that's
So-
wet.
So that one was first.
Where'd it go?
It's right there. Right here, in front of me.
No, I picked that one.
No,
up.
that was the first one. The other one's right there. You put it right next to the other one.
No, that's the order. Because I picked
Yeah.
that one up over there.
Yeah,
first.
so it goes that way, that order.
Yeah, so boom, boom, boom.
You don't even have to go in the arena.
Oh! Kyle. Come on, learn.
No, it's pick 12 was Kyle. Or no. No, it's TJ, then Kyle.
Brian. Pick 9, Josh. Pick 8, Danny.
Nope, anything needs it. There we go.
Oh, pick 7, Kelly.
That one's doomed.
Oh, get out of there, buddy. Is it going to get quick again?
I'm sure it doesn't vacuum it up. Oh,
Yeah.
so that one, and that one.
That was last.
It vacuums it before it vacuums. All right, who's going to be the... And we won't say the last one until the very end.
It's all or nothing, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
We got pick 6, Jeff.
I guess technically that's it already, but
Yeah.
gotta see it pop.
We need the evidence. Pick 5, Dustin. If we get 1, 2, people are gonna be like, you guys cheated.
I know, that's...